All right, what is your favorite dessert of all times? Take a moment to think about it. Mine is Dirk Cake. And if you're asking what this is, I'm about to show you. And it's a very simple dessert with just a few steps, which all you need to do is get your ingredients, mix them, and then put the product together, and it'll be done. So to begin, we need to get all the ingredients together. And Dirk Cake, it's not just for kids anymore article, has the ingredients used to make the Dirk Cake. They are 1 pack of Oreos crushed, which I have right here, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 3 1/2 cups of milk, which is right here, 2 vanilla instant puddings, 12 ounce Cool Whip, and 1 pack of gummy worms. The cookware you're going to need is a whisk, a spatula, a spoon, a fork, just anything really to help mix, and then of course mixing bowls and measuring cups. And I know this sounds like a lot, but honestly it's not that hard to do. Now that we've got all the ingredients, we're just going to mix them together. So the first step we're going to do is you're going to crush your Oreos, which I did previously to get that out of the way. The second is to mix your margarine in a mixing bowl. Put your margarine in the mixing bowl. Your cream cheese. And your cup of sugar. Now you just mix this together until it's blended well. This is messy. Alright, and the second step, you're going to mix your instant pudding and your vanilla, or your instant pudding and your milk together. And I use a whisk for this just because it makes it faster. And then you add your milk and your other mix with the margarine and the sugar. And then you add your Cool Whip in here. Once you add them all together, you mix them until it becomes like a creamy texture pretty much. And it's blended well together. The blender would probably be better. once you get that mixed together, it's going to be time to start actually making the dessert and put it in the pot. Now you can put it in a flour vase or just like a little thing like this or any kind of container that you would prefer. And the first layer of the dirt cake is going to be your Oreos. So you just take a handful or until you can cover the very bottom. And then your second step is just add some of this mixture into it, but not a whole bunch because you've got to make all the layers. Kind of flatten it out. And then as you add layers, you can add gummy worms. There's going to be a surprise into when you'll kind of bite into one. You won't ever know. I'm going to add about 4 of them. All right, and then you just continue this step, all these steps until your top layer is your Oreos chopped up. And then just add another good bit of the mixture. And add some more Oreos. And add some more gummy worms. And your top layer is going to be the Oreos, but I have a little bit more of these gummy worms. I like them. And some people will put fake flowers in them, like sticking out, so it'll actually look like a pot with flowers in it, with the Oreos. And then I like to make it where the gummy worms are sticking out of it, which I'll do in just a moment. The more creative you get with them, the better. I didn't make any flowers today, but I thought about it. If you have any mixed milk left over, mine, it didn't hold all of it. You can always put it in another dish. And As you see, the dessert doesn't take too long, too much of your time to make. It's not a whole bunch. Now that you've gotten the ingredients together, you've mixed them, and you've made your dirt cake, as in stacking them layer for layer, then it's time to eat it. And you can serve this with a glass of milk because of how rich it is. And I hope everybody enjoys this. Does anybody have any questions?
Could you substitute with non-dairy and have the same results?
Yes, you can mix them together the same way. Any more? All right, thank y'all.